In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Wix site name. Whether you've rebranded, want a more catchy name, or just fancy a change, I'll guide you through the steps to update your site's name with ease. Let's dive right in. First, we'll need to navigate to the Wix dashboard where we can make these changes. Open your preferred web browser and go to your Wix account setup page. You'll land on the dashboard, the heart of your website management activities. If you're not already logged in, you will need to do that first. Enter your credentials and proceed to your dashboard. Once you're in, you should see a list of your sites. Locate the site you wish to rename. Next, on the right side, you'll see a button labeled Design Site. Right next to it, you'll notice three little dots forming a vertical ellipse. This typically signifies more options. Click on these three dots. It's a simple but critical step, as it reveals additional actions you can perform on your site. This brings us to the third part, where you'll find an option labeled Rename Site. Click on it. This option allows you to type in a new name for your site. A text box will appear, and now is your chance to get creative. Your site name is not only the first impression visitors get, but also a key part of your branding. So take a moment to think about a name that reflects your site's content or purpose effectively. Type in the new name you have chosen. Make sure it's spelled correctly and conveys just the right message or tone you desire. Remember, this name is how users will identify your website, so ensure it's meaningful and compelling. After typing in the desired name, don't rush through this. Spend a moment to review it. Once you're satisfied with the name you've chosen, look for the Save button. You'll typically find this at the bottom of the text entry area. Click on Save to confirm your changes. The Wix site will then refresh automatically, and your newly updated site name will be visible not only to you, but to everyone visiting your site. It's as simple as that. Changing your site name can be a breath of fresh air for your website, and can significantly impact how users perceive your content. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly update your site name, keeping it relevant and aligned with your vision. If at any point you feel unsure, you can always revisit these steps. And there you have it, a refreshed site name that stands out. Thank you for tuning in, and feel free to check out more of our videos for more tips and tricks to enhance your online presence. Happy renaming!